First up, let me introduce Rajesh Palviya, who's joining us on the technical side, the head technical and derivative research at Axis Securities on the technical front. And from our research team, we do have Jinay joining us. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for taking the time out and joining us. With that, I'm going to start the show. Rajesh, good afternoon. And you've picked out one of those IT names because today I could only see that green coming in from IT. Infosys is what you're going to talk to us about. Large cap IT name, is it interesting to enter right now at these levels, or are you waiting up for some more time? What is the word on this one?
Good afternoon. So in today's session, most of the IT stocks are showing good buying interest, and Nifty IT is also moving up. The way Infosys has recovered from its recent dip, now stock again, managed to cross its 20-day moving average. Stock is very well holding about its 50-day moving average. So looking at the near-term, short-term structure is still on the bullish side, and the data on the derivative front is also showing strength in the Infosys. So we believe the way stock has moved up in last couple of days, there would be more continuity on the upside for Infosys, and we believe that this momentum can extend towards 1860 to 1880 kind of zone in coming trading sessions. So I think this stock can be a good buy at current level, and one can place their stop loss to buy around 1785 to buy and hold Infosys for short-term trades.
Right, so buy call coming in for Infosys. Rajesh is spotting some upside here as well. But on that, it across to Rajesh once more for technicals. And Rajesh, you've picked out Federal Bank. Now in the last 6 months, 35-36% upside. So what's next for the stock in your view? Are you penciling in any more upside on the chart?
So Sneh, if we analyze the overall structure of Federal Bank, stock is holding the ground at higher level. The way stock is moving, in a higher top, higher bottom formation on a weekly as well as on the daily chart, we believe that this continuity of uptrend may there in the stock prices, and there is a high possibility that we may see a further higher level from the current level. The way stock is almost negotiating with its previous swing high, we believe that once stock crosses about 206, 208 kind of level, then the new all-time high trajectory would be there, and then possible target on a short term we can see towards 225 to 230. So I think Federal Bank is looking attractive for near term to short term trading point of view. So I think one can deploy some long trade with stop loss of 195.
Okay, stop loss at 195 for Federal Bank. Let's move on to the next stock, and Concord, Rajesh, that's the one you've picked out for us. So yes, last 1 month when I'm looking at it, seems like slight bit of a correction that we're seeing there. But in the last 1 year, overall, it just remained in this 900 to 1000 range that we're seeing, 900 to 1000. What's the word now on Concord? Is that 1000 mark something that it will be able to cross anytime soon?
So Vinny, this is the third consecutive week where stock is making lower high-low formation. That clearly shows that there is a sustained supply pressure is there in the stock on the near-term, short-term structure. On the weekly chart, stock is moving in down-sloping channel, that also adding up weakness on the near-term, short-term structure. On the derivative data also, there is a short built-up setup series on series. So we believe that till stock not manages to cross about 1000 level, there would be further more pressure we can see in the stock prices, and possibly stock may slide further towards 900 to 880 zone. That's the near-term target where we are projecting for the stock. So I think in any minor pullback, one can initiate short position in Concord with stop loss of 1000 rupees.
Okay, surely keeping an eye out on that. If understand Balrampur Chini on the charts, and Rajesh, you've picked up this stock for us. Tell us what are the next levels to watch for? Which direction do you think this stock is headed towards on the charts?
So most of the sugar stocks have witnessed some buying interest in last couple of weeks. The way Balrampur Chini manages to give breakout of its December 23 swing high, and stock is now trading about all its near-term, short-term moving averages. In the derivative data also, there is a long built-up is there. So we believe the way stock has managed to give breakout on the daily, weekly chart, there is a further more upside we can see in the short-term basis. So one can buy and accumulate this stock for upside target of 535 to 545 with stop loss of 495.
Okay, let's move on to Tata Steel for us. And if I pull up the 6 month chart, absolutely flat, 2 or 3% hike coming in, not much happening on that front. So buy, sell, hold, what's your call coming in for Tata Steel?
So Tata Steel is sell for me because the way stock has broken its 50-day, 100-day moving average, and there is a short built up in the derivative data also. Stock is now slipped below to its critical support area of 150. So we believe that the structure is already weak on the near term, short term, and most of the metal stocks have attracted supply pressure in last couple of days. We believe that Tata Steel may slide further towards 138 to 135 kind of zone. So Tata Steel is short with stop loss of 150.
Okay, that